In this video, I'll walk you through 5 beginner-friendly micro-income hacks that anyone can start from home or on the go. First, let's talk about helping local businesses improve their online listings. Many small shops and restaurants do not realize how important it is to have up-to-date information on sites like Google Maps and Yelp. If a business has the wrong hours or old photos, people might skip visiting. You can offer a service to update and improve these listings for them. To get started, look for businesses in your area with missing or outdated information. You can do this by searching Google Maps or Yelp and checking if their hours, photos, or descriptions are correct. Once you find a business that needs help, reach out by email or direct message. Explain that you can update their listing, add new photos, and write a better description so more people can find them online. You do not need special skills, just basic research and writing. You can charge a flat fee for each update or offer to keep their listing fresh every month. This is a simple way to help your community and earn money. And remember, the last idea in this video will show you how to turn your own experience into a digital product for new freelancers. Recommendation number 2. Start a side hustle mapping newsletter. Newsletters are a great way to share ideas and build trust with readers. You could create a local or topic-based newsletter that highlights small business ideas, trends, or helpful tools. Begin by picking a topic you enjoy, like local events, new businesses, or creative side hustles. Use a free platform like Substack or Behave to send your newsletter. At first, offer it for free to build an audience. Once you have readers, you can add a paid version with extra content, like downloadable templates, interviews, or case studies. Newsletters are easy to start and can grow over time. You can earn money from paid subscribers or by adding ads. This is a way to build something once and keep earning as your audience grows. But if you want to deliver helpful content every day, the next idea uses AI to make it even easier. And do not forget, the last tip in this video will help you create a toolkit for new freelancers. And number 3, create AI-curated daily news briefs for a specific group. If you like checking the news each morning, you can turn that habit into a micro-income source by sharing the most important updates with others. Pick a group you want to help, like small business owners, sports fans, or teachers. Use free AI tools to gather and summarize news stories for your chosen group. Then, send a short daily email or post with the top news and why it matters. People appreciate quick, easy-to-read updates that save them time. Once people trust your news briefs, you can add affiliate links, offer paid upgrades, or sell advertising space. This is a way to use AI to help others and earn money at the same time. And remember, the last idea in this video will show you how to package your own knowledge for new freelancers. Number 4. Design welcome guides for AirBnB hosts. Every short-term rental needs a welcome guide, but many are outdated or not very helpful. You can offer a service to write or design beautiful PDF guides that hosts can give to their guests. These guides can include house rules, local restaurant suggestions, maps, and answers to common questions. Use AI writing tools to help you write faster, and Canva to design the layout. Make sure the guide is easy to read and looks nice. You can charge a set price for each guide and deliver it as a digital file. This is a clear, productized service. One guide per client, with a fast turnaround. Airbnb hosts want to give their guests a great experience, and your guide can help them do that. Finally, sell Freelancer starter toolkits as downloadable PDFs. If you have ever worked as a freelancer, even for a short time, you know things that beginners do not, like how to price your work, send invoices, or talk to clients. You can package this knowledge into a toolkit that helps others get started. Keep your toolkit beginner-friendly and easy to use. People are willing to pay for resources that save them time and help them avoid mistakes. This is a powerful way to turn your own experience into a digital product that helps others. And it's the final micro-income hack in this video. Create simple checklists, templates, and guides that answer common questions for new freelancers. For example, you could make a How to Start Freelancing checklist, an invoice template, or a guide on how to respond to client emails. Use Canva or Google Docs to design your PDFs and sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. As a recap, here are 5 micro-income hacks you can try. Optimize local business listings, launch a side hustle newsletter, create AI news briefs for a niche, design Airbnb welcome guides, and sell Freelancer starter toolkits. Each step is beginner-friendly and can be started from home. If you learned something new, comment below. Make sure to click on this playlist to watch the rest of the YouTube series for more tips and tricks. Check back on this channel, the Zennial Files, for future advice.